I'm over here at the bird's nest right now. And I'm over here just thinking to myself, like, yo, where else am I supposed to be right now other than right here, transforming another space, beginning a new mural project. And I'm just so grateful for this opportunity to freaking just have another playground to just play with and experiment with and see what happens. You know, I don't totally know 100% what all is going to occur here with my ideas. You know, I just have a whole nother playground here to dive into and explore new ideas. Like, so, yo, just in some gratitude waves right now and just amped up to be here at the bird's nest. Freaking blasting out a whole room with my murals. Like, yo, like, okay, woo. Yeah, just freaking stoked, and just want to say a few words on this. Big gratitude vibes.